Hey, this is Kevin with the Trainual product team, and today I'm going to give you an overview all about search. So the first thing I want to show you with search is what we call our quick search dropdown. So what that lets you do is quickly find content, groups, people, templates, even help center articles from anywhere you are within the Trainual app. So anywhere you see this search bar up here at the top, which is going to be everywhere in the app, you can just start typing to start seeing results quickly without having to go to the full search page. So one example here is I typed in my name. I can find my profile there, so you can search for teammates or people that are in your account. I can also search for templates. So I know we have some templates that have the word onboarding in them. So you can see here I have template results shown below. I can see templates that have to do with onboarding. Also going to search for Arizona because that's one of the groups in our account for our Arizona office. And I can see that that appears as well here in the drop down, telling me that there is a group with 64 members called Arizona. So as I said before, this is called the quick search drop down because it's a drop down from the search bar that lets you just quickly find and quickly search without having to go to the full search page. However, you can still do a full search if you type in a search query and then either click the return key on your keyboard or click this button here that says search in Trainual. This will be your account name shown here, or search in templates if you know you're going to jump straight into a template. So I'm going to search our account for onboarding. And once I'm there, you can see all of the search results for that search query, onboarding. So I've got 395 search results that match that term, and I can scroll through them here and see the ones that are steps or contents, and I can go through all the pages here as well. And you'll see these tabs here at the top that let me kind of filter down some of the results to search different parts of the Trainual ecosystem. So the first tab, the default one, is going to be your Trainual content, your Trainual account. This is mainly where you're going to be searching the things that you have populated into your account. Over here is templates. So this lets you search the Trainual template library for your search query. You can find any templates we have that match that term onboarding and see them here, browse them, or add them to your account if you'd like. And then finally, we have the Help Center search. So the Trainual Help Center is a great place to find how-tos and pro tips and resources for how to do things in Trainual. And you can search directly within the app of that Help Center to find help articles to help you with certain topics that you need. Going back to this main tab as well, I want to call out this filter function we have here. So by default, you're going to see the most relevant results based on your search query, whether it be a subject, a topic, step, a test, teammate, groups, or other content types. So you can filter if you're looking for a specific type of result. So whether it be a test or a subject or a topic, I can go ahead and click that and filter down the results to make sure I specifically see subjects related to my search query. And the last feature I want to show you in search is what we call our AI answer feature. So this lets you get direct answers to your questions using AI by typing a question into the search dropdown here at the top. So the question I'm going to ask is, I'm a new joiner, I'm a new employee here, I'm about to have my first day. I'm going to ask, what is the address of the office? So I can get directions of how to go. So if I ask that question, you can see up here, the AI is processing its answer, and you get the answer there directly. So this is a great way to just directly get an answer to your question without having to necessarily dig into the content and skim and read all the step content to find your answer. You can let AI scan the content and find the answer directly for you and present it for you in a really quick way here. So that is a really cool feature. And as it's mentioned here, it is currently in beta. We are improving this actively. It's something my team manages. So if you ever have any issues with this, just go ahead and click that report answer button here, and that'll send the feedback directly to me and my team, and we will review and iterate and improve on this feature to make it better for you guys in the future. So yep. That is pretty much it. Hope that gives you guys a good overview of what the Trainual search functionality can do. There's a lot more to come in the future. We are always improving this. We know search is a core, very important feature for our customers and kind of the use cases of Trainual. So we are going to continue improving this in the future. And thank you so much.